Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today, as you can tell, we're doing a lovely little makeup tutorial. Yes, God. So this is slightly different for me as well. I've never really worked with green tones that I know of. So a little bit different to try and make this work, but I actually quite like the blends of the shades. I did also try and do liner, so please do not hate. I'm not good at liner. But yeah, so this tutorial was done using the Morphe Makin Bank palette, which is 18B. So like there are so many gorgeous shades in this, like we make this work. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look using this one palette, then stay tuned and find out. Okay, there you guys. So as normal, we are starting off with a nice fresh face already done up. So we're just applying our Morphe translucent eyeshadow primer here now, just to cover the bases of the eyes and get them ready for some gorgeousness. So yeah, this is the Morphe 18B palette, which is Makin Bank. So yeah, I'm just taking a smallish brush and just working the shade C Note just through the crease area and winging it out just a little bit. So this just kind of creates a framework of where we want our shadow to go. So yeah, just not applying too heavily, but also I want to ensure that it's got a decent amount of colour, because at the end of the day we are going to be blending this out in just a moment. So you know, it can be a little bit on the rough side, don't worry too much, we'll do some cleanup. So yeah, just blending that out so you can see how it almost transforms into just like a nice lighter shade of this really awesome kind of muddy green colour, which I actually kind of live for in like a really odd, weird way. So yeah, we're just kind of blending it out with a clean blending brush to start with, and then I'm actually going in again, just picking up a little bit extra on the blending brush itself, just to once again build some more colour throughout the crease there, just to intensify and, you know, give it a nice smoke. So now we're jumping in with the shade Jackpot, and this is like such a stunning yellow colour. I know we're doing a green look today, but girl, this yellow needed to feature. So I'm basically just taking a light amount of that yellow and just blending it on top of the furthest part of the eyeshadow. I didn't know what to say there really. But yeah, now just cutting the crease with our Revolution cut crease concealer. This one, I can't remember the name of it, but it's not the white one, it's kind of the skin tony shade. My mind has gone blank. But yeah, so we're just basically ensuring that we are cutting that crease ever so carefully. I'm slowly getting better and better at this, although I did mess up that first eye by like the tiniest little bit, which really bugged me. But you know, at the end of the day, we can kind of fix it to some degree, so it's fine. And then just to set the cut crease in place, I'm actually taking the shade Deposits, which again is a kind of light skin tone shade, which is again why I love this palette, because it's actually got some good skin tone shades in there to kind of mix in, creating some different fun looks. So yeah, this I'm just basically covering where we've applied the cut crease concealer, just to set that in place. And now I'm going in with the shade Shopaholic. So this is just a really kind of shimmery metal kind of colour, but it's got like green shimmers with it. It's very strange, but I love it. It's, yeah, really got a really nice shine to it basically. So yeah, we just applied that in the centerpiece of the eye there. And now we are just reapplying some more of C Note, just in the outer corner of my eye there, just to essentially marry the eye itself with the shadow that we applied at the top there, so it all kind of blends into one, and just intensifying that outer corner as well, because it just helps to snatch the eyes that little bit. So again, you don't want to kind of go too crazy, but you want to go crazy enough that it's, you know, gonna pop. So yeah, we're just kind of doing it, continually going back in and taking a blending brush now and just kind of blending it all through, just so it dulls it down the slightest amount. So now the under eyes, so again taking that shade C Note with just a small little blending brush and going all under the eyes, mainly focusing on the outer corners, and then we go in with the shade Jackpot just throughout the entirety of the eyes, so this can include the inner corners. Oh god. So now we're actually lining the eyes with a liquid liner that I've got from Revolution. Again, I'm not the best, I say this a lot, I'm not the best eyeliner, so you know, I'm sure a lot of you guys at home would do this a lot better than I can. I am so cack-handed. I literally apply it in the dodgiest way possible. But yeah, so now just jumping in with my Art Deco brow pomade and coating those brows, not too intensely, I think, in my eyes anyway. This is not too intense, so it's just a nice natural brow that we've got going on, and then just spooling those out. Jumping in now with our mascara so we can get ourselves ready for some lovely lashes. So yeah, this is just my Benefit roller mascara, just coating the bottoms as well there. And now we've got our lovely lashes. So this is the Glam Edit by Indigo Rose, and I'm going to choose my favourite lashes in this box at the moment, which is Empower. Absolutely stunning lashes there. So yeah, we'll just apply to the one, and then I will show you the second one, because sometimes lashes do take a little while to actually get on. So, but like this just adds so much gorgeousness to this look. It's insane. Anywho, now onto the lips. So yeah, we're just applying our generic nude lipstick that I use all the time, which is the Revolution lipstick in Chauffeur, and of course highlighting those points. Oof. Getting that nice gorgeous glow throughout the face. Intensify those cheeks, because you know we love a good pop of a cheek. And now finalizing off with our Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Right there you guys, well that is the tutorial. I really hope that you did enjoy this look. Again, it's a little bit different for me to do, but I had a lot of fun doing it, even though the eyeliner really stressed me out. It's still stressing me out a little bit, but we're working with it, okay? But yeah, I really do like how this has actually turned out, so I hope again that you guys have enjoyed this, and if you do wish to get your hands on the Morphe Making Bank palette, then check out the description, because there will be a link there. Hopefully it's not sold out for you, and then you guys can recreate this look and probably make it 20 billion times better, but you know, I love it. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely Friday, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.